on the body. If you can just show me where the pain is starting.
Here.
All right. How long has that been going on now?
For 2 days.
2 days. And you mentioned something else in the consultation just now that...
Yeah, that I was doing exercise and then like I heard a pop here and then it hurt for a few days but it wasn't huge pain.
I see. When was the exercise? When were you doing this?
2 weeks ago or something.
2 weeks ago, right? And what are you having difficulty with at the moment?
It hurts whenever like I try to move. I can't move because it hurts here.
I see. So let's just check some of these movements. Mark, if you can just take that for me. Have a seat. Head forwards, please. Just want to check. Head forward. Down, down, down. Is that hurting?
A bit. Oh.
That's hurting, right? So this is the starting point, right? So we know. Take your head back. Yeah. That's not good. Turn this way. Well, just again, you do it yourself. Just turn this way as much as you can. That's about it, isn't it? Turn this way now. Mark, do.
I heard the pop.
What I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take your head into a position and we're going to see how much it irritates. Yeah? We'll do it gently, this way. Hurts? This way. Does that hurt? Take your head back. Oh. Issue. That's why I said we've got to be serious about this. This is not a joke. Take your head back. Right, we're going to get to work here. So what we'll do is, firstly we're going to loosen up the area. The nerve is irritated and it's causing problems coming out from that origin. We've got to restore movement. Yeah, it's coming from here. You've got to restore movement in the neck.
Okay.
And we've got to loosen up the supportive muscles, and we'll utilize our laser to help ease and help healing and regeneration from the inside. Okay. All right, so let's loosen you down first.
What's been, huh? الصوت الثاني حلو بس الصوت اللي عبر
Cervical radiculopathy. Pressure to help mobilize the joints.
What does that mean?
You know the bone in the neck, it's stuck. When I fell through, you know it's very tender because the bone is not moving properly. The joint is restricted. So this will help restore some motion, and it's going to help with the corrective adjustment. This is a light. When we put it on, it's going to emit energy, and it's going to help heal your body. If it feels too hot to you or something, just let me know. Okay? Just raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. Come on, come. Let me show you. Can you see where this light is going? This is where the problem's coming from. Can you see as well that the bump here, the neck has come forward? We saw that on the x-rays, didn't we? So that's why we need to. Now, I'm going to give you some exercises to start doing. I want you to start doing neck rolls. Yeah? I want you to start doing this while we use the laser. Take your chin, take it down, turn to one side, down, turn to the other. This way, this way. You're going to do 5 each side, okay? Then we're going to do big shoulder rolls, yeah? Like this. If you take a look at me. Big shoulder rolls. 5 times forward, 5 times back. So first of all, do your neck rolls. Go. To the left and to the right. Look over. You're going to do like this. Like that. Like that, yeah? As much as you can. Go. Now let's see you do shoulder rolls. 5 times forward, 5 times back. So up, forward, around. And 5 times back. Okay? Full, big movement. Go. Yes. I want you to do these as well, please, madam. Miss Piker, I want you to do them at home.
Always like this, like this.
Good. Now, I want you to lie on your front. You can take these goggles off.
Is this gonna hurt?
You'll feel some pressure in the back. Take a short breath in. Breathe out. You're going to feel some pressure there. That's all. You okay then?
Yeah.
Take a breath in again. Let it out. Relax for me. Breathe out. Good. Now, the table will come up and then down like that. Lie on your side, facing me. Like this. Bend here. Come across. I've got you held secure. I'm going to rotate your body and we're going to create movement in your lower back. This will help to free your back and help the nerves going down the body.
Mama, ty drinks rain as well?
Lie on the other side. Now for the neck. Rest. You need to get this joint moving. Blocked. You feel that, don't you?
Yeah.
Let's relax me. Wiggle your toes.
Do I have to?
Relax for me. Turn to the right.
Oh,
Let me help you out. Take your head back. Step forward. Look to the left. Turn to the right. How does that feel smoother to you? How does that feel?
Sure, have
Move the neck.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at that.
Was
Moving a lot more.
First time.
First time, yeah. How's the movement? Do you feel more movement?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Good, good, good. Feel smoother than before?
Yeah, smoother.
Good. Very good first response. You'll respond well, step by step. We will follow up on this quickly, and I need you to start.